The SMALLRIG Quick-Lock Tripod Dolly makes setting up and locking your tripod remarkably fast thanks to its foot-operated quick lock system that keeps everything secure without fumbling. Its adjustable clamps and wide leg range mean it works smoothly with a broad variety of standard video and photo tripods, so you are not tied to a single brand or model. Large, soft rubber wheels roll very quietly and smoothly, which is a real advantage when you need to move the camera during takes without adding unwanted noise. Despite its compact frame, the Dolly supports a substantial camera rig with a generous load capacity and reliable individual wheel brakes that hold position firmly. The folding design, modest weight, and included handle and carry bag make it easy to transport between locations and tuck away when not in use. Overall, this tripod dolly offers a thoughtful balance of stability, mobility, and convenience that suits serious videographers and photographers working in studios or on location.